Right, so day one in Bogota, got here late last night. Gonna go for a little explore. There's lots of gold in here. Day two in Bogota, walking up the Montserrat, which is up here somewhere. Hallelujah. Jesus. So, made it down from Montserrat, grabbing a bite to eat in this little cafe, and then flight to Medellin around 10:30 this evening. So,
we made it to Medellin, about to do a little walking tour, free walking tour of the city, just to see all the sights, and yeah, we'll keep you posted.
Maldito cabaret, donde pasé los años de mi vida. Allí me enamoré, no sé cómo y por qué, de una perdida.
Right, so it's currently the next day. We're on a place to Guatape, where apparently there's this big rock, and we're gonna go look at it. Right, so we've begun the ascent up what I can only imagine is many steps, and yeah, document the journey.
Just doing our best, but we make it into a mess. I'll be looking for the other side.
So we've got up to a place called San Rafael, around a 30-minute motorbike away. So we're going to rent a motorbike and check it out.
It's 10 a.m. Kyle's having a beer because we're a bit annoyed that Guatape motos didn't show up after 45 minutes of waiting.
So we finished breakfast, we're about to take a cab to the airport, heading up to Taganga this evening. So I'm not going to film it all, so hopefully next shot will be in Taganga. Right. So we made it, but we're not in Taganga, we're in Santa Marta because we changed our plans at the last minute at the airport and we rented a car. So we're heading out to Palomino today to go check it out. So we made it to Palomino, where the river joins the sea, but it's quite busy, so we're looking for another little spot, trying to follow the river up. Got a little friend with us, where's he gone there? Yeah. Well, mission abort, I think. We've ended up in some banana plantation, so back we go. So we are currently on our way back to Santa Marta. We stopped to investigate this hidden waterfall on the way, and we're in the middle of nowhere again, so going for a little explore.
Like a child.
Made it across.
And I break my wounds with the same old things. From before, they adore to leave me destroyed. So you took me.
Right, so we're heading back to Santa Marta and then taking the bus up to Minca. Had a nice trip at the waterfall, and yeah. So we made it to Minca. we're walking to the hostel, and this will probably be it for the evening. So yeah, toodle pip.
Ese amor llega sin esta manera, no tiene la culpa. Caballo le dan sabana, porque muy despreciado.
So we're back on the move. It looks like we haven't been anywhere for 3 days, but we've just been sick and chilling by the pool.
Very sick.
Very sick. So we're on the way to Cartagena now, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Well, we found Jane's shopping mecca, so it's gonna be a long day. So we're currently in Cartagena on Colombia's Caribbean coast, heavily colonized by the conquistadors in the 1500s. That's why there's a lot of like Spanishy influence and colors and colonial buildings. But yeah, apparently people living here since 4000 BC, so yeah. Right, so it's currently 7:45 in the morning. We're on our way to take a boat to Santa Cruz del Islot, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's about the size of 2 football fields and supposedly the most densely populated island in the world, so it should be interesting.
That's all I want from you. I want you to love me.
So we made it to Casa en el Agua, which translates to house on the water, I believe.
Look at our bed.
And this is what we're sleeping in. Some nice little hammock rides.
Just as a princess. Well, that doesn't mean you have to take my clothes away. If I could show you